Northside, Long Beach.
Hi there, guys. Welcome to my April bike check. I'll say April because I'm pretty sure. Welcome to my bike check, guys. Currently, I just want to say, starting off, I want to say shout out to my sponsor, Stranger BMX, for keeping me fresh and hooking me up with another clean bike and just keep me rolling. You know, without them, I wouldn't have such a beautiful bike here. And shout out to Peep Game for keeping me fresh. You know, without them, it's not possible. So first off, I'm gonna start off with the seat. I am running the Stranger logo seat, black and white, very beautiful, very clean, very smooth. I love it. I am running, let me see, my frame. This is the Stranger RPG frame. The sticker design is really dope, and frame color is insanely sick. I love them both. For my rims, I'm actually running, like, these are actually old school rims. Well, not old school, but they just brought them back, I'll say. They're actually the Primo Balance rims, and they're laced to back wheel is the Freemix, Primo Freemix V3, V2, and the front hub is M4FL laced to the same rim, Primo Balance rim. For my tires, I'm running the Primo Stevie tires, or Primo Churchill tires with the reflective beading at the in nighttime. You can see it reflective on. So, you know, if you don't have like reflectors on your bike, these actually light up pretty well. For my pegs, of course, I'm running some of the best pegs in the game. Not some of the best pegs in the game. The Stranger Zia pegs. These pegs I've been running since they came out, and I'm not going back to another peg. It's not happening. For my bars, I'm just running the Stranger, simple Stranger bars. They're 9.25. I forgot my frame is 20.8. Let me see. For my pedals, I'm running the Primo JJ pedals. Been running these forever. Great pedals. They slide. They help the crank arms. They're really good. For my thinking about this all. For my cranks, I'm running the Stevie Churchill cranks. Primo Stevie Churchill cranks in 170. I just dropped down 5 millimeters. I can't say if I've noticed a difference or not, but I feel good on the bike. I can say that much. For my grips, currently I'm running also some of the best grips in the game. Stranger Hicksman grips. Shout out to John Hicks for making these wonderful grips. They're great. I love them. My stem. I'm drawing a blank on the stem, but I'm gonna put it in the video when I figure it out. Running the Stranger top load stem. For my headset, also Primo headset. Forks, Stranger ballast forks. Let me see. My chain, Primo half link, black sprocket, Stranger ballast. I think that's all. That was kind of fast, huh? This is a Stranger seat post, by the way. Can't forget that. That's my bike. That's my bike. You want to see how good I feel on this bike? Zip this up. basically, what I'm about to do is, that's my old bike. There's been this one kid at Vans, I don't know his name. I'm bad with names, I know faces. This one kid at Vans that always asks me, he's been asking me for a couple, maybe a month or two, like, yo, Markel, do you have any extra parts that I can buy? Now, you see keyword, he said buy. Now, I respect that because that's how I am now, to the point where, of course, I'm not going to ask anybody for anything for free. Can I buy it from you? So for a kid, maybe he's a teenager, teenager, to be asking, can he buy something for me? I could just easily be like, oh yeah, I'll sell you my cranks for $100 or something. You know, they've only been ridden for 3 months, and you know, do that. But I was like, I told him the other day, I was like, yo, I'll just take them off my bike and give them to you. So that's what I'm about to do right now. I'm about to basically take my cranks off the bottom bracket and give it to him later at Vans. So he'll be pretty excited. I did tell him I was gonna give it to him, so it's not a surprise, but I think it's pretty dope. And I like doing stuff like this because this is what the OGs used to do to me. That's how, you know, that's how me and Gabe got a lot closer, you know, riding together, and then he hooked me up with parts, and then, yeah, so if you can do it with somebody, help somebody out, man.
off the market.
One side of it. That's fine. Easily fixable. Just the balls are out of place. Some of them at least. You need a bar brace. What? You need a bar brace. Set your lights in place. Not that one back here. You guys got a place to fix your bikes? No, not specifically. I mean, could they make one? A spot that fixes bikes? Yeah, repairs bikes. They have bike shops for that, but you know. Talking about somewhere in the neighborhood. Ain't many bikers over here. Oh, okay, so we'll make one. Yeah, not over here at least. And everywhere else that has bikers are Yazoo.
Done taking the cranks off. I literally had like broke apart the bearing and had to put it back together. Each ball I had to put back in place, but that's fixed. Now I have one more bearing to take out, and that's it. I don't think you guys need to see me take it apart anymore because it's almost done. You guys saw most of it. I don't know what I'm gonna do with a lot of these parts, but for now I'm giving them away. So, yeah. All right, me and Chris just pulled up to Vans. I do have the cranks with me, with the bottom bracket and the bottom backward spacers and all of that. Hopefully the kid is here now, so I can just bring this in and give it to him and then start riding. He should be pretty excited. Well, hopefully. I mean, he doesn't have to be, but whatever. He asked for them, so here they are. Yeah, they're pretty fine. These are only rode for what, 3 months? Basically new. Besides all the crank arms. My right crank is basically brand new on this one. I'm just fall. Push again, push again, push again, push again, push again. There you go. That's who I gave my cranks to. He's putting them on right now. I don't know where you got a mallet from. But we are out here. Shout out to that kid for being dope. It's extra loud in here, but yeah, that's the kid over there that I gave my cranks to. Nice kid. He deserves it. He said thank you and everything, so I'm really happy. He's happy. Time to get some clips.
I was running through the beach with my hoes until I ran into you. Seen your body and it made